Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you.
Alright, today we're gonna be doing a tail light tint, but this one's a special one because we're gonna do a honeycomb patterned tail light tint. So let's get started. I never done the honeycomb before. I did do the tail light tint and it turned out good before, so let's see. I already took off one side of the tint that I had before, and then I'll check off another side later on. Whenever you want to tint anything or vinyl anything, you make sure the surface is clean. Use a microfiber towel or alcohol or anything to clean it off so you can get started right away. I put this tint over this chrome piece because this is just the way I want it to be done, because when I wrap the whole thing, this part will be darker than that whole part and it looks better in my opinion. You gotta size up the vinyl first so you know how much vinyl to use. Cut it and then just apply it on the car. What I usually do, I just put it on a general area first and then I go in with a squeegee and a heat gun to take the small pieces out. As you can see, came out pretty good. An outline that I already put inside is, as you can see, visible from outside. This is what I wanted. But yeah, look, it looks pretty good. I also managed to tint the third brake light. This was easiest when I put the tint over it. Some heat gun, you know, take some bubbles out. It looks pretty good. I also used the vinyl to black out the logo. I didn't want to cut this out. Also the Highlander, also the text over here, I want it to be black. And yeah, it came out pretty good. This is what's wrong with the other side. You see, as you can see, there's some kids that use their fingers to pull this out. I'll be removing this and reinstalling the honeycomb pattern one. And I'll fix all these mistakes. Same thing, I already have a tint inside here. Looks pretty good, and let's do it. Both tail lights are done. As you can see, they're looking pretty good. So this tail light has a crack on top. That's why this became indented, but that's okay. I'll switch that later on. But yeah, it looks good. Came out good. I used the tail light tint to wrap the front logo. As you can see, came out pretty good. It looks dark chrome. It's very reflective.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.